yenim da ye ka ansem no betimi ayeye mona mo wabam ye nyaka
wono wana nyaka
ye nyaka
wono wana nyaka
Ghana fu nyaka
meti adwuso na mbakuma se
sa wo de ka ne bai
de bia wo bedu fumasha de bia me ba me sanipa from Adam Reso. We are in the era of scientific communication.
Okay.
In your number mutie so ba wonye to bonkosifo. E die na si. E die na maka boro na se ka eniwo. E ye dollar na akosoro ti na yentimi ntos papers e na draw for enkokwa so ana. Ana petrol bo na aye di. Nti draw for e protest ana. E die na si. We are in a country bibia e koso.
Right.
But me madwene ya ye me say amanyuko bi wo man mu a omumpa o man yi. Nti anytime mo be hu se bibia e yo okay. Na timamufo eniama ye no. They will do everything to make sure say I said there's something in the system. Other than that, me as a project change, many woman me ya work say you. Many woman.
So I'm making a point.
Dramani Mahama MPP communication. Omo kasa na wo transe. Now person will find logic in anything they say you don't find it. Again, I see. Sorry. Say logical.
Mantini.
Because the logic means I said discussion I will make no. Ufi point A, now go point B.
Okay.
Now back.
I mean, ubet me aka say bia baseless. No, say enina so what yetimi. But can get you about he's not comfortable, so you withdraw. No, he's not comfortable with that. No, he's not comfortable with that. What's the means? Normal, but once he's not comfortable.
You can't say so. I get to with you.
Yeah.
Say car anywhere, something must trigger that.
Right.
A car bo a car no near man akoso. A fool anywhere. A fool and a boy again. Yes, 5% intimate. What has occasioned that? Now, they will say, over all the indicators, his Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bayi, you better than what the MPP was in power. So, what is the problem? It's a question I asked.
Fool, yeah.
Everything. So, problem is that's the logic I'm talking about. But
almost spare pass. A driver for a complaining spare pass, say, and call them. And so they have a challenge.
And then go to mom.
Okay.
Madam will be high friends around 4.
Okay.
Ninja break it down. Of course. Magzi. Just costing the cost of 40,000.
Okay.
Or they be from Nigeria. Onyano 24,000. Difference of what?
First one is
40,000.
Not 24.
Or done from Nigeria. Onyano 24,000. Difference of say
16,000.
And today people are beginning to make choices.
Wow.
And to me, be say, how would I go to magazine and buy it at? And I say, a bono, yeah, that. Now, order from Nigeria, never come on, sir, at 24,000. Fundamentally, something is wrong somewhere. And I don't know. Fundamentally, something is wrong somewhere. Mimaka over and over say, John Dramani Mahama, the economic advice is not watching. First thing also more tackle, the structure of a market system in this country. When you say after Kwame Nkrumah, element about Bemu, elements of the UP-MPP tradition. I hope you know that. Now, Womu as embedded in the Omo party philosophy, no, property owning democracy, and I'm a boy. Yamu Timamufono, and ye say tam. Now, mine in Yan. And the dog, you first the free market, or the free market, no, free market economy.
Yeah.
Ado bia pebia on fan in Yamanje. And in Kumo Muni Dino, does it also make sense? I know but it doesn't make sense.
Right.
Because I know at your Momoha and a dollar costro. I know Mukache say. As say $1 and costintino. Send me to a pen 1 CD. Nasi at $2 no chamber, quarter matono, 1 CD 20%. I was saying two. Says a man to moi. Now me turn 1 CD no. The next time I go to top any Basabano, making top any number. Yes, I'm going to tell you. Into your 2 only old stock, no my day, no more tune, because prices cost low.
Yeah. Inflation.
Right. And other things. Today, thankfully, some most are not near $1 now. Near cost low. Now we make agreement, you know. dollar number form. You know what they tell us? Almost more old stock. Almost turn a boarding. This almost is what almost Kotobia. And also to affect them. Where's the logic in this?
Yeah.
Bakono was what turn about 4. But dollar na koso into Kotobia ma or better boarding. Yes, sir. Into also what turn a buona or kota or better.
But it's in so.
They say no turn a boarding. Into so turn 10 cities are Ukotobia, Uberton 8 cities. At the corner, phone Kuana Kotan, Uberton 8 cities, Unton 10 cities. They are telling us, say, Omuto had 10 cities. It's a 10 cities Omotoino, Omonton's our boardino, Emansaya, Omutiswa, and that's a monster. A monster. And if you say, Omo cry and couldn't him. Senior, if it was about last week. Now, because of rural telephony, they couldn't go to Empire.
Yeah.
I met farmers who told me openly, said, Naya to a bar, you bet 20 at Dramani Mahama. I was shocked, so I went close to them. Some Saturday. Almost a year by this time, a bag of beans, now 2,600.
Yeah.
And now 1,000. Almost so. Almost a maize was hovering around 1,000 cities. And now yellow corn, 450 per bag. White corn, 400.
1,002.
Thank you.
Yellow one.
It's the tell us, where you book up. And then maybe so almost say, Must have me to be there because I bought a bag of charcoal, selling at 50 cedis.
Right.
Me go pon America maker. Drop on some call 50 cedis between two. Oh, nim go see. A bag of charcoal, 50 cedis. Now you to say Okloma. It's a day and a bro every 1,002 about 400. A year day na beans every 2,600 about 1,000.
Yellow.
No, yes, no.
Yellow currently 556.
Thank you. That is I need how. I use the word drop also. At least Okofa back. But the point is that say 500 crowd. A year then you no koto banku. You no koto diewo. You no koto bulonka market. Still our complain say the prices are very high. So something is wrong somewhere. And I think that as economic advisors no, I'll see a pay model. Say a fully regulated crana, a semi-regulated market. I bear sure say there is parity between whoever is producing, whoever is selling, and the end result consumer no will not be short change as you're going through. Me person make say, me can be the yam on yourself, but does it make sense? My classic example, we could do forward remember trouble anything, but because I say that was what if 30 and 40. I got angry.
Meaning baby I can.
Me be free.
Me call me ni. Me damn me.
Me say me be free. I got angry. Me be free.
Me na banch no turn say.
Thank you.
Baby I can.
Thank you. Me I get choice.
Me jai ya kura ko.
I am purely exploitation. Me say me no for
no that woman no so mo.
No you see boss you see. I beg you say I was say dem will be you can me no for kwada so. You feel me kwada so something na nchan wa. Me talk before 20 do that. No, it's very bad. And these are some of the things you can watch them. Mr. Wasif for trying to 30-40. 30 by no. I got angry.
That's a 20 kura won chama.
Maybe for 30 by move. And that's what we are. So the economic management team who are downtown tax. Say baya, Senior Kosha, we feel it as citizenry. But Senior for ma, Timamufono must feel it. And then tell me can say, as a dollar for no, at Konebia, they're a very tight corner.
Yeah.
Because who there? I don't go to be the money. And I would actually get I would the old Diana, Freddy.
But me so.
But I don't go to the because Obi a job in Syria. Don't know why. You may quote the schools. The same book from the same writer. Open your book no price difference, the difference within 3 schools. A book has much as 50 cities. The same book from the same writer. School Bia was there, alternative. No, they are cause of money. We cannot because John Dramani Mahama, there was a Yama Ghana and Yama Toy. Now we have make example because in Commodian Honor was alpha. Me say in 2022, and I'm a Thomas Yente, Prof. Doc. At that time, the dollar was hovering around 15 to 16 cedis.
Yeah.
It was sent at the cost of 75,000 Ghana cedis. And yeah. Who can say Ghana bought dollar near 10, but Uko banker somewhere 12. Agreed. Say dog, I had 12 for now. Say Santa me told me 2 years ago 75,000. She and Canua, at least me qua. I must get somewhere 175. Me could be said be the other 110,000. I did been account for that. I'm telling you.
What's out?
Me say 110.
Me said that my woman baby. This is a car dealer.
Yes, sir.
Car dealers bear me and Sebi.
Thank you.
And commotion kakra koso.
Thank you.
When you say media, mostly I want to know what is going on the ground.
Thank you.
My memo voice in TV. Facebook na TV.
2.2, which is 22,000 over age cars. And then the sofa and share them from Senior Senka, Yehuno. But so share the 2018 model, 2020 model, more adequate. Born the drop, even 4x4 now. Say first, no 4x4, it will be a 2.2, which is 22,000, 220,000. They say, 150 Kobini. Besa, the year no was on the day, over Bane be a 5, 6, 7, be a 10. And I need the living up one from because one is will be artisan. And to also follow the panels water. Well, and so this was what Omoka Obenyosika.
First, no, not over a Yaris, say no. Now the price no and from 120, 125 up to 130. But they see I been to me DG 115, yeah, and even 11 to me DG. And veteran also about for a binum there to me G from a 100,000 but above from.
Enti on say wutie nipa be mienu miensen ye omkasa ye omoton kaso enche Jeff be no alignment dia to ncha mo hu nkrofo an omkasa no
okay
na ohwe wo mo a omo say kane no de no old models no kra de abafem de na ye 130 she say be ye 115 110 enti how say baby a wo kan wo die nipa no be hye da ti mi ayama wo die no time out ori
enkomo na me die no who say so
omo na was
okay yeah boss okay yeah I reference 2022 was my reference point.
Yeah.
I never think about 2022 because Sienta making a big could be 130 and one there about. So it has also seen a reduction. Come out in here. Yaris are walking 2022. Man, I'm a cotton center. Yaris was selling around 70,000, 75,000 by that time. Yaris, now 70,000, 75,000 will be able to be 2022 at that time. And that may pay the same way I can make a big no say center no and Yaris no. Obi the same model. But I say we are no family car. I want to listen. That's why I'm to price I'm quote no. Now Yaris also quote the same price. And it's from 2022 $1 no check the price of dollar. Both are 15 series. Now Yaris is 75,000 now. I get then and there I get 115. So what are you doing? Huge.
Okay.
The question I'm making is huge. And see, the structure of economy, the way people are short-changed, say, if it will be a pennyphobia bar, we should sit at one table.
Okay.
Your market women, they say, you short-change your money, they say more, at it. Timon Kodija, this one more high. I don't for a year more, this will be a high. Sabani bon home again, and my near man higher can you quote Tamacofania ma, what you care more by $2.
Right.
No calculity, me find the say of some DGC. And there have been a subject of planning, and you be no who bears a man so say at least we have this. I buy a enough from the Timamufono must enjoy share petrol, and the petrol single digit. A folia within the say, oh, you see private car. And now who said the dividends who feel it. So many people say, me part to do for commercial car. Kakrabi and for private car. And here why we are benefiting from the fall of the petrol.
But the commercial
LPG gas and the domestic gas. Look at where it is now. And you're encouraging. But it settle down. To the say man cocoa. And now we try bro 1,200. And the sugar buffer. A braba form, be able form. I didn't know Coco Mr. La, the yes, and one yes, I cost. No, and Rami could do free. Why must it be so?
Sir,
I'm telling you, boss. It's no because say 79 year young Koda. But what should the mindset of Nkomo Ekosia? I think say history can tell us what happened that time. Because telling who others say democracy here.
To say we dey asrafu gu na
I said we say democracy here. Okay.
Okay.
Now there may serve I say there's an association called themselves Guta. So can Guta for
Omoba.
A woman no more say the alata for no are competing with them. No money me for chair woman. No more call to shop him. I am serving say anytime the association of Guta omo nche omo nyama so wo mo ko Salatani, Lebanese ni, Indian ni, omo call to shop ma. We will mobilize the citizens against them.
Yeah.
Because when nyama no go fan of ako. Nigeria didn't produce nyama. Ghana didn't produce nyama. You need to turn of ako ni nyade buy. E ye dey na Salatani timbe turn the money for chen wodi. Na we aka dem say or say udwa into cotton shop. We wouldn't allow that moving forward.
Almost say woman tias say from so.
We say we wouldn't allow that moving forward. Yeah, just say moving forward.
Right.
At assembly akoso ma me nka bi. But in America police atwa ho nkwa na fa ma me. Montage Sameja fi ma me be wo bia na montage Bank of Ghana governor.
Oh, okay, no for any other issues.
Ti meka ni maybe no meka. Montage Sameja fi na montage bank governor Bank of Ghana ma me. Mate say mo koto good. Ana kabia ba nya sanati. Ne kan ye say
$214 million.
Be pa chaw Sameja fi ane Bank of Ghana yewra esiama
Kasegu Mike ni mu yi.
Se mo boka 214 nya ka o but se Ghana for se mo boka 214 na dollar free 17 aba 10 dia na petrol free 1 liter 17 aba 10 na your was and a ton 9600 etu aba 6800 dia be patcho 2025 mo mo ka $500 million nya $60 o what ngoma na medino say munti no see etimi says cannot jeje eniema economy na enjoy no e great o solo nti say betimi the $240 million solo amatimo amanimu aye say netie ya me pese omo double that amount na dollar no ba 5 cedis na petrol ba 4 cedis na cement e turn be 50 cedis na euro e turn be 4000 na mu boto ye be 200 cedis na bro boto ye turn be 300 na timo mu fo ye hu to ye e chan say amamu ni fare baya ni say ni panet o mamu no ye hu beto ye na to ye and I am seeing that relief.
Okay.
And the relief we have seen minim say o mu moka I am go for na dey show but say and no and dey ahunto so and no and this economic relief here ye kombada they should double it. Na Ghana for one toy. Now we are in a sign of relief. Ken Oforiata or summarize the misgovernment that we went through in this country. How say?
But
who you photo sound for? Ghana is a couple of women under your watch. People died in misery. People who are homely. And that's kind of been kind of for you. People picketed. Picket. Yeah, Juma. I discovered to bank. First, kill and pia, so win pia. And then your watch, actually more dimly. It says so what data bank. No conformity bank. No officer who compete with you. Who goes our banks on? And then your watch, Ghana's economy was described as junk. Everything went wire. Wow, party for sorry. So there be baby me kono enye. Party for si kan benye dinti. Musi no. Listen, under your stewardship. Bra. Na wankasa or how acheche abenedie kodanda yaudia. Odi Ghana for femu. Bra wose womba. Me ayemi ya se o makonkron Ghana ni. Me former finance minister ya keji no e wo bi manso. I'm sad. But it reminds me what Professor Ivan Fifiatanos may so rest in perfect peace. Also, the wheels of justice grind slowly, but it will eventually catch up with you.
Right.
May I know? Here, my said it, I'm there, and I'm a boy, and I'm told say,
a minute.
And also, it's now in custody.
Yeah.
Anybody, I will bring you Kwenya, Aqua Bemo, say, I will bring my Ghana. You should be ready and prepared to account for your stewardship.
Right.
Boss, go for bro. So we move into the hinterland. Now, boss say, yeah, one go for them. To say, in Trasi or Mano, Sika, Adimawa, be prepared that at any point in time, you will come on account.
Yeah.
So far, John Dramani Mahama, imagine able leadership. So far, ni ministers, ni CEOs, every DCs, Obia Oye Juba, Ma Banwe is giving a positive outlook. ayema huwa sa bina ba bamu over a year na ye ni a single scandal don't say some of them dey buy any scandal kwano they were pushing very hard
but currently no we are yet to have your first auditor general report and your bar
John Dramani Mahama have served notice was able to that whoever will be cited in the report you will face the rigors of the scandal. I am proud I am right some me and this ni. Now the last time I call I used to do some kodiga. I used to do before nyamikupo o chamo. Me now mo kemiti esunada na say kotore bomba so don solo when kwa de Mahama ya de me MPP de ba niam abo akofom yan koso nye say ya na ye say we are
thank you very much
Santo Ghana for nim say ko pa konwa na enye de san say ye nya kwan bedi akonwa no ye ni omudi ni
right thank you very much Solomon Anane no NDC communications team was also a regional head for Gifek.